Hello, my science fair topic was expanding liquids. The question I asked was, do some liquids expand more than others when frozen? My hypothesis was, if vinegar, water, milk, Sprite, and orange juice are frozen, then Sprite will expand more because the carbonation will make it expand. The materials I used were 5 237 milliliter small round containers with lids, blank stickers, 20.5 centimeter plastic ruler, 5 permanent markers, black, purple, blue, green, and red, 118 milliliters of orange juice, 118 milliliters of tap water, 118 milliliters of milk, 118 milliliters of vinegar, and 118 milliliters Sprite. Also, a liquid measuring cup, a freezer, and paper towels. My procedure was to first let all the liquids become room temperature, and then put each of the 5 liquids into 5 237 milliliter containers. Then after you leave it out for the room temperature, put a lid on the containers, and I used a black marker to mark each container at the 118 milliliter point. Then I placed a blank sticker on each of the containers to label the liquids. Place all 5 containers into the freezer and leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I took out all the 5 containers and placed them on the counter. A purple marker to label how much the liquid expanded, if it expanded at all. And then I used a ruler to measure how much the liquid expanded, if it expanded at all. And then I left all the containers on the counter for 24 hours to defrost. I did this procedure 4 more times and used green, blue, and red markers. My results. All of the liquids on the first trial stayed the same. They were all 1.5 centimeters. In the second trial, the milk, orange juice, water, and Sprite stayed the same. The vinegar expanded 0.1 centimeters. On the third trial, the milk went down. The milk, water, and Sprite went down. And the orange juice stayed the same, and the vinegar stayed the same. In the fourth trial, the milk, water, and Sprite and orange juice stayed the same, but the vinegar went up 0.1 centimeters. Then the fifth trial, the milk, orange juice, Sprite, and water stayed the same, and so did the vinegar. My hypothesis proved incorrect. The Sprite did not expand more than the other liquids. It stayed the same mostly, or went down. The vinegar expanded the most. The vinegar that I used was white distilled vinegar. That vinegar had grains and acid in it, so that could have affected how the vinegar expanded. I was very surprised to see that the Sprite did not expand. It was pretty shocking. My variables, the independent variables I used were orange juice, water, milk, vinegar, and Sprite. The dependent variable was the expansion of the liquids. The controlled variables were the amount of liquid, freezer temperature, length of time the liquids were in the freezer, and the container size. In conclusion, the Sprite did not expand how I thought it would. And I learned something new about vinegar. Thank you.